everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to do an online checking for Singapore Airlines. So first, search up Singapore Airlines in your web browser and then click on the first link. And then once you're there, click on this check-in tab right here, and then you can either check in using your booking reference or your e-ticket number. Before checking in, make sure you should read this over here that says, if you're going to check in, Singapore Airlines customers fly to Southeast Asian destinations, Dhaka in Bangladesh, Malé in Maldives, Kathmandu in Nepal, and Colombo in Sri Lanka should check in at Terminal 2. For Singapore Airline flights to other destinations, check-in will remain at Terminal 3, so make sure you should read this before doing the online check-in. So you can either check in using your booking reference or your e-ticket number. So what you want to do now is just input your 6-character booking reference and then input your last name. If you want to book with your e-ticket number, enter your 13-digit e-ticket number and then your last name as well. Once you're done, click on check-in and then continue with the process, and then you are done. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to do an online check-in in Singapore Airlines. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.